All right, here's another look at the advisories posted with regards to our winter weather event down in South Dakota and portions of Minnesota. It'll begin late Wednesday night, but blizzard conditions pretty likely down there. Now, for our area, we have a winter storm watch. Models have scooted the snow a little farther northward, so a little less confidence in that actually taking place, but it could, and that means we could see some significant snow and wind in our neck of the woods as well, particularly along and south of Interstate 94. But for right now, clouds down to the south. We have some snow developing along the South Dakota border showing up there. Elsewhere, very quiet conditions, maybe even a little sun across northwest and north central Minnesota. The storm system we are monitoring is just now working its way into the central Rockies, and as it works its way over the Rockies tomorrow and strengthens, it could get pretty interesting. Here's a look from our Dakota Magic Casino camera. We're looking northward along Interstate 29 into North Dakota there from that perspective. Some clouds, some gray skies there as well. And here's a look at your Fargo conditions. We have north winds that have been gusting upwards of 30 miles per hour. They're still pretty stout at 17 miles per hour. That makes it wind chilly with temperatures in the low 30s. Grab the coat if you're heading out. We have mid-20s in northeast North Dakota. Grand Forks, you have 28, 30 for Valley City, and 3 better than that in Jamestown. In Otter Tail County, 36 in Fergus Falls. Wadena, the hot spot right now, along with Aberdeen at 37. Low 30s around Lake of the Woods. The gustiest winds taking place right here in the Fargo area over the last hour or two. As I mentioned, we've seen them gust over 30 miles per hour. Sustained, though, most locations between 10 and 20 miles per hour from the north. So if you are heading outdoors for any outdoor activities this evening, bring the jacket with you. It's going to be cold and breezy with temperatures slipping into the 20s by 10 o'clock for many. Overnight, all of us will slip down into the 20s. Well, we should stay for the most part dry with the exception of hit and miss showers, sprinkles, and even flurries along the South Dakota border. We begin our Wednesday in the 20s, and easterly wind begins to increase across the region throughout the day. Now, quiet weather along and north of Interstate 94, but not so quiet down by the South Dakota border. By the time we get to the late evening hours, a chance for some snow developing and slowly lifting north between basically Watertown and Minneapolis, though some moderate to heavy snow already getting established. So travel south late tomorrow night could be troublesome. We'll go over that storm in detail here in just a second, but for now, 27 to start your day tomorrow in Fargo with temperatures peaking near 40. It's going to be breezy, it's going to be wind chilly, it's going to be gray and cool across the southern counties. Maybe a couple of peaks of sun up north. It'll be breezy and cool there with temperatures peaking in the 30s. 40 for the Bemidji area, 37 Wahpeton, Breckenridge, and the best chance of a few showers and some wind and even some snow development late in the day along the South Dakota border. Now, for the Fargo area, southeast North Dakota and Lakes Country, there'll be a chance, says the European model, of seeing snow push up by the time we get to midday Thursday. So from midday Thursday on, the snow and the wind, look at these red arrows here. We could have some gusts well over 30 miles per hour. That's why we could even have some near blizzard conditions in our southern counties as this system works its way through. Thursday night, heavy snow bands kind of surge northward. And by the time we're all said and done, the loftiest snow totals will be here where you see the pink colors. And the American model agrees with this timing about 1 in the afternoon. Heavy winds, heavy snow into Thursday morning, heaviest snow south. We'll keep you updated on that. Here's a look at a photo from Amanda, Moorhead Center Mall, seeing some roads go underwater from the Big Red River. And here is a look at the Kindred area, that Cheyenne River getting awful grumpy out there. Thanks, that's near County Road 15. Allison saying the kids are trying to find a way to join the weather. A little icier there. Speaking of ice, we'll have a quiet day tomorrow. Anything but quiet Thursday into Friday. Beware if you're traveling south. And then as we head into the close of the week, Friday will still be breezy and cold, but we do rebound from this March madness in April as we go into next week.
It's been maddening for a couple of months.
That's for sure.
All right, thanks.
You bet.